case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2008, the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit was captivated by a wrongful death lawsuit, Arpin ex rel., Estate of Arpin v. United States. The case hinged on a question of medical protocol. Should physicians rely entirely on diagnoses from other doctors without conducting their own examinations? The suit began with an unfortunate series of medical mishaps. A patient, under the care of the U.S. Air Force and St. Louis University, was initially diagnosed with a muscle strain. Despite escalating pain and clear indications that something more serious was afoot, the attending supervising physician refused to conduct a personal examination, even at the behest of the family. Tragically, the patient succumbed to an untreated infection of the psoas muscle. In the aftermath of the patient's death, the district court found the U.S. Air Force and St. Louis University jointly and severally liable. They ordered the defendants to pay damages exceeding $8 million, a substantial portion of which was awarded for loss of consortium. The U.S. Air Force and St. Louis University appealed the decision, disputing both the findings of liability and the amount of damages awarded. They argued that the district judge's expectation that a supervising physician should personally examine a patient who has already been examined by a resident was ill-conceived. The Court of Appeals, however, sided with the lower court. They upheld the liability ruling, asserting there was no clear error in the district court judge's finding of medical negligence. They agreed that the failure of the doctors to adequately investigate the cause of the patient's symptoms constituted a breach in the medical duty of care. However, the court disagreed with the lower court on the damages awarded for loss of consortium, describing them as potentially excessive. The case was remanded for further proceedings, with the court urging a reconsideration of awards given in similar cases for guidance. Despite recent legislation in Illinois capping non-economic damages in malpractice cases, the court found the law unconstitutional, emphasizing that it would not apply to this particular case. The Arpin versus the United States case left a lasting impression on medical practitioners, reinforcing the crucial need for thorough diagnoses and patient care, a lesson worthy of its healthcare proponents.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.